Kia ora whānau, ko Leon tēnei, ko papa mō tōku kāinga, ko mau o tōku maunga, ko awa nui tōku awa, ko parero tōku marae. I train out of Evolution Muay Thai and Pāpāmoa. For me as a Māori to be fighting and training combat sports, I feel like I'm walking in the same hīkoi as my tīpuna, so it's an honour personally for me to do that. Fight day, to honour my tīpuna and have them walking with me in that ring, I like to say karakia before my fights. Mani FC Whakapapa, at the start of the show, the ring was blessed with karakia and from fellow Māori, and for me that really resonated with my soul, and I knew as soon as I seen that I was like, I want to fight on this card. I had a word because all the winners were getting harakeke mongkongs, which are the headwear you wear for Muay Thai. Every winner got one of those, and I had up, any of those mongkongs for sale. Oh, you got to fight on mana to get one of those. I was like, sign me up.